Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by Sopole Nyoni.
Oh, isipho kanjani? Ithara Steve. No, siyajabula mfuthu. Amajita azothi baba eDobsonville eKasi yabona. So trust me, this time we're going to see something different.
Yes.
We're not coming back with anything less than a silver. I can assure you on that one. And you know, the game was just a friendly game. I mean, you didn't see much quality from our wingers. Aubrey Mudiba was there. You see, he's coming from the Rulani Mukwena school. You know, every game is important. Doesn't matter it's a friendly or what. But for sure, Majita somebody injured or something. But you saw the common factor when you have Mrembula and the master chef in the field. Trust me.
Quality.
Trust me. No one's going to match Bafana. No one's going to match Bafana because after, I mean, Dimension Erlala Libona, give me swat. But you know, give me swat. But as soon as Master Chef went out, they were. They were trying to expose us. You know, so even before Utebuho Mukwena came in, we had most of the ball, but we were not threatening. So you see, Hore Mrembula, the master chef.
Important.
But food, I can't wait. I can't wait for AFCON. I know about Bamkwate Umdala Hugo Bruce. Guys, you need to understand Umdala is here to build these young boys. And you know, Sibia Makas. And Ekaya Umzali Mayakuza Ukchala Gasho Nobubi. We are one, no booby. But he didn't mean any malice. He was just frustrated. And when you're frustrated, and remember, he's not English. He's French. Maybe there's something that they say about black and white in French, and he was trying to translate that to English. And that could be a possibility. But I think Hugo Bruce has proven himself to everyone. Mdala knows his story. He knows his story.
So now when you want to
big game because think with nama player besaba ukudlala nje esabandaba zama injury yabo. But AFCON baba ngiyacela ngoba sebenzisa amaqanda ngicela basiphe nabangena eZ basinike nabo ufuna sibuye nayo njaya ufuna nje sibuye nayo straight ufuna sibuye nayo ne onion mayikhona konke nje on magician yakhe akasinike asigayo
sibuye ngayo
siyasikhona so win after
okay Khosi kuba man of the match man
yes Thibo go ya ka nna man of the match ne nele master chef Mbuli awudlezi first half awudlezi ke quality wesise ntotse emnati nje ke matla le ku Morocco afihla next week Monday ke matla first game I win the man of the match and ke batla le goal happy and then we will 2-0 Monday nje Rashaya Angola
keep everything go Chiefs no ibatla mara Khosi buava
tsenya nimbani umfundo man
next time
amatlo satla yabona mara tsenya umfundo ovilakazi nje mara arinane ka World Cup utlabati ngabona ka World Cup utlabati umfundo
mona ukasibuka ka Josh Matlo utlokwatisa batho mona mutho mona ohloile ke South Africa o ratwa ke rona taba ya mukoko sinselilo mona Buffett, Mukoko was here. We saw what he did, and we won't forget. Ne? No, and we'll keep talking about it. Not about I mean, he's a comedian. No, Buffett, among people. No.
How you from Cho,
Stibo, ngiyathilana kubafethu abayithu because of amadita athanda Chiefs. Ngoba nami ngithanda Chiefs. So ngithemba dita man ngihlala ngwabona kuma friends wethu ngathi ngwatholela amajezi etiste we Chiefs ayithu. Abafethu la. Amajezi wabo abafethu. We are Kosi for life. We are love and peace.
Before sivaya sithanda ukubonga iplatform osigaye yona ngaphandle kwakho ngabe sicaviwa sikhona nje ukuringa ama point of view awethu nje sinawo the disc nje danke kakhulu nje sithi siqhubekele phambili na next year sokucaba nje
Akayivala ucommentator bafethu.
Hanyani bro, kupa commentator ne, go likora ki Brampton.
Oh, go likora. Evening to everyone. Let me take this opportunity and say thank you so much, Amafenwe to TV and everyone who is working under Amafenwe and Mr. Mto to take this your money and your time to say you know what I'm touched by these three blind men and we really appreciate what you have done. So okay. Itikali commentator. Okay, right. Iboncha batsefela mataba mama botsebotse. Stoppa sama fana bafana ba ngishana magopa le stoppa sakana iboncha batsefela. Elenoto stoppa sama fana bafana elenoto stoppa sakana. Baratile bathik ba bodi yokhla moto batlile mo lebaleng la Dobsonville. Iboncha batsefela batlisitse thego ana ulukhosi ola Pirates Sandawana. Timi tsotsohle batlisitse thego obafana bafana. Bona o tlatshia bolo monna Sipho Chena. O tlatshia bolo ya Ndamane bona Ndamane tlatshia bolo la harampolo botle kreba tuso boso tla tuso ke mane arbana marambolo ka bolo telele werol ka Obri Mudiba bona Obri Mudiba amla tlhakela bolo ba tsoka ena ba intshakotse stop sakana wa tsena monna Sipho Mbule Sipho Chena achebolo ayibya mamukwena mukwena ayibya Mudiba yamulahlekela bayintshakotsike Sipho Mbule aperi shots omnate oje South Africa. What a delicious food. Oje mkhosi